Hey everyone! Publishing a Google AI Studio project to the Apple App Store is a process of wrapping your web-based AI prototype into a native iOS package. In 2026, the most popular method involves using a bridge service to convert your web URL into a .ipa file that Apple's servers can recognize. Step 1. Exporting from Google AI Studio. We are starting inside Google AI Studio. Once your app is refined and tested, we're heading to the Share icon in the top right corner. We do this to generate the deployment URL that serves as the brain of your application. Click the Share button and select Get Link or Deploy to Web. Copy the unique URL provided by Google. This link is what your mobile app will display to users. Step 2. Wrapping with App My Web. Now we are heading to App My Web or your chosen wrapper service. We do this to convert that URL into a native iOS package .ipa that can be installed on an iPhone. Add a new app and paste your Google AI Studio URL into the builder. To unlock the iOS build feature, you will likely need to purchase a subscription or a one-time build license. Customize your icon, splash screen, and app name before processing. Step 3. Navigating the App Store submission path. We are finishing at App Store Connect, following the official guidelines from developer.apple.com. We do this to ensure your app passes Apple's rigorous safety and quality standards. You must prepare your product page metadata. This includes your app's description, high-quality screenshots, and keywords to help people discover your AI. In 2026, you are required to enter detailed app privacy information. You must disclose what data your AI collects and how it's handled to satisfy Apple's privacy nutrition label requirements. Once you upload your build using Xcode or Transporter, you submit it for app review. Apple will manually test your app for security, safety, and reliability. This process usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, your app moves from waiting for review to ready for sale, and it will be live across 175 storefronts globally. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.